In the last 12 months, I know of Nigerians who have lost 40% of their savings without spending a single kobo. And I know others living in the same country, facing the same economy, dealing with the same fuel prices and the same NEPA, whose income actually grew during that same period. The difference between both groups has nothing to do with intelligence, nothing to do with connections, nothing to do with luck. It comes down to one decision. One decision that separates Nigerians who are slowly losing the financial battle from those who have quietly removed themselves from it entirely. That decision is dollar income. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to make it without a visa, without traveling, and without leaving Nigeria. Stay with me. Let me tell you what is actually happening to your Naira right now, because nobody is saying this clearly enough. Nigerians' inflation rate came in at 15.38% in March 2026. That means if you earned 100,000 Naira last year and you got no raise this year, you are poorer. Your salary did not shrink on paper, but everything you buy costs more. Fuel, food, rent, data, everything. And this is not a new story. In 2024 alone, the Naira lost over 40% of its value against the dollar in a single year. 1 million Naira in January 2024 had the purchasing power of roughly 590,000 Naira by December 2024. Think about that for a second. You did not spend a single kobo. You did not gamble. You did nothing wrong, but inflation and Naira devaluation silently took 40% of your money's value. Now here's what makes this worse. If your income is 100% in Naira, you have zero protection against this. You are fully exposed. Every year the Naira weakens, your real wealth shrinks, no matter how hard you work. The only real answer is dollar income. On this channel, we do not guess. We look at real numbers from the CBN, from the National Bureau of Statistics, from actual platforms Nigerians are already using. Every strategy you hear in this video is being used by real Nigerians right now in 2026. Not theory, not overseas advice that does not apply here. Practical, tested, Nigerian specific. So if you're ready to understand exactly how to build dollar income without leaving this country, let us get to it. Now, here is exactly what this video will show you. Number 1, the 5 most realistic ways Nigerians are earning in dollars from home right now. Not theory, what is actually working. Number 2, the exact tools you need to collect your dollar payments in Nigeria without losing a chunk to bad exchange rate or unnecessary fees. And number 3, this is the part most people skip and is the most important part. What you need to set up today before you earn your first dollar so you can actually keep the money when it comes. Stay with me till the end, because number 3 alone will save you from a painful lesson that too many Nigerian freelancers learn the hard way. The first and most widely used is freelancing on global platforms. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you directly to clients in the US, UK, Canada, and Europe. Clients who pay in dollars, euros, and pounds. And the numbers are real. According to data from the global freelance market, Nigerians earned over $100 million through Upwork in 2024 alone. Not across Africa, Nigeria specifically. The global freelance market is now estimated at $1.5 trillion. That is not a market that is going away anytime soon. Now, what can you actually sell? More than most people realize, writing and copywriting, graphic design, social media management, video editing, virtual assistant, customer support, web development, data entry, translation, voice over work. If you can do any of these things to a decent standard, there is a client somewhere paying in dollars for it. A consistent, serious Nigerian freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork earns between $500 and $3,000 per month. At today's exchange rate of 1,342 Naira to the dollar, that is between 671,000 Naira and 4,026,000 Naira a month from your bedroom. And this is not theory. A woman in Ibadan, no special degree, no overseas connection, started offering virtual assistants on Fiverr in January 2025. Scheduling, email management, basic admin for a UK-based small business owner. By March, 2 months later, she was making $600 a month. That is $805,000 at today's rate. More than most bank employees in Lagos take home from her house on a laptop. The second method is slightly different from freelancing. It is a full remote job with an international company. Not a gig, not a one-time project. A recurring salary in dollars deposited every month while you sit in Nigeria. Companies in the US and UK have been hiring remote workers from Nigeria aggressively, especially in tech, customer support, content, and digital marketing. Platforms like LinkedIn, Remote, Remote.co, and Deal are where these companies post. You apply the same way you apply for a Lagos job, with your CV and a cover letter, except your employer is in San Francisco. The advantage over freelancing: stability. You know how much is coming every month. The challenge: competition is higher because you are competing globally. If you have a professional skill, software development, data analytics, project management, UI/UX design, this is your fastest path to consistent dollar income. This one is growing fast and very few Nigerians knows it exists yet. UGC stands for User-Generated Content. And here's how it works. International brands in the US, UK, Europe need authentic video content of real people using their products. But they do not want polished studio quality ads. They want something that looks organic, real, like a normal person talking to their camera. So they pay content creators anywhere in the world to record short videos reviewing or demonstrating their products. No following required, no viral videos required. UGC creators in Nigeria are earning between $50 and $500 per video for a 60-second product review. And you can do multiple brands a month. Platforms to find these opportunities include Below, Incense, and direct outreach to international brand managers on LinkedIn. Now, I know what you might be thinking. This all sounds good, but how do I actually collect dollars in Nigeria without getting robbed by fees and bad exchange rates? Well, we will get to that in a moment. And it's simpler than you think. But first, let me show you 2 more income streams that people are sleeping on. Affiliate marketing means you promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The keyword in the contest is international. Many Nigerian creators focus only on local affiliate programs, but global affiliate network pays in dollars, and the commissions are significantly higher. Amazon Associate, ClickBank, Share Sales, and Impact are global affiliate networks any Nigerian can join. You do not need a large audience, you need targeted content. A YouTube channel, a blog, a WhatsApp broadcast that reaches people who are already interested in what you are promoting. A Nigerian affiliate marketer promoting a $97 digital course through ClickBank earns roughly $50 to $70 commission per sale. Sell 10 per month, and that is $500 to $700, around 939,000 Naira, 400 at today's rate. The fifth method is one of the most powerful for long-term wealth. because you create something once and it sells repeatedly. A digital product is anything delivered electronically: an ebook, a Notion template, a Canva design pack, a course, a spreadsheet tool, a guide. Platforms like Gumroad allow Nigerians to sell digital products to customers anywhere in the world to get paid in dollars. You set the price, you keep the majority of the revenue, and the product sells whether you are awake or asleep. The most successful creators in this space have products priced between $15 and $97. A product priced at $29 that sells just $30, 30 copies a month, generates $870. That's roughly 1,167,540 Naira passively. And with AI tools available today, creating a digital product takes less time than most people think. Now let's talk about the parts that most content about dollar income skips entirely, and it's where a lot of Nigerians lose real money. Earning dollars is one thing. Actually receiving them without losing 20 to 30% to bad exchange rates and unnecessary fees is another. Let me break this down simply. You need what is called a virtual dollar account, a Nigerian-based account that gives you a US or UK bank account number you can share with clients or freelance platforms to receive payment in dollars. The three most reliable platforms for this in Nigeria right now are Gray, which gives you a USD, Great Britain pounds, and Euro account, known for a clean interface and transparent rates. Charges 1% conversion fee capped at $6. Raenest, formerly GP, deeply integrated with the freelancing ecosystem. It works seamlessly with Upwork and Fiverr, and as of late 2025, offers 4 free monthly deposits. Nigerian Naira withdrawals are completely free. Then we have Cenoa. It's a newer platform. It has low fees under 2%. ACH deposits from US clients are free, and it converts directly to Naira for same-day local withdrawal. The important advice here is, do not just use one. Smart Nigerian dollars earners use at least 2 of these, because different clients and platforms work better with different accounts. And the most important thing, do not rush to convert to Naira the moment your dollar lands. Audit in your virtual account and convert when the rate is favorable. That alone can mean the difference of tens of thousands in Naira on each transaction. Now, let us talk about what you actually need to set up today before you earn a single dollar, because this is where most people get it wrong. There are 3 things you need to have ready before you start chasing dollar income. If you skip these, you will chase clients, line deals, and then found out you cannot get paid properly. Go to Gray or Raenest right now. The sign up takes about 10 minutes. You also need a valid ID, NIN, BVN, national ID, or passport. And you go through a quick KYC verification. Do this before you have a client to pay you, not after. Step 2. Go and create your professional profile on at least one freelance platform. If you are going the freelance route, sign up for Fiverr or Upwork today. Build a proper profile, clear description of your service, a professional photo, and your first gig or proposal. The platform takes time to gain traction. Starting today means earning sooner. Step 3. Pick $1 income stream and go deep on it first. The biggest mistake people make is trying to do everything at once. Pick the one that matches what you can do or learn fastest. Freelancing is fastest to start. You might just take longer, but pay consistently. Digital products take time to build, but pay forever. Commit to one for 90 days before adding a second. Spreading yourself thin across 5 methods guarantees you will not succeed at any of them. Now, I already know the 2 objections sitting in your mind right now. Let me address both. Objection 1. I don't have a skill that international clients will pay for. I hear this a lot, and it's simply not true. You have skills you are undervaluing because Nigerian clients cannot afford them. Virtual assistants, managing emails, scheduling customer service is a skill. Writing clearly in English is a skill. Knowing how to edit a short video on CapCut is a skill. Being reliable and organized is a skill. The global market has demand for all of these. What to think of as basic, a client in the UK running a small business will happily pay $15 to $25 per hour for. Objection 2. These things are scams. I've been burnt before. This is a valid fear and it comes from real experience. But there's a clear line between platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, which has existed for over a decade, process billions of dollars annually, and have proper escrow systems that protect you as a freelancer, and a random dollar investment schemes that promises return with no products or services behind them. Earn dollar by offering a service that is not a scheme. That is a business. That is not a scheme. That is a business. The client gets value, you get paid. That is how it has always worked. So let's bring all this together. You now understand exactly why Naira only income is a losing position in the current Nigeria economy. You know 5 specific, realistic ways Nigeria are earning dollars from home right now. Freelancing, remote jobs, UGC creations, international affiliate marketing, and selling digital products. You know the 3 platforms, Raenest, and Cenoa, that lets you receive these dollars without losing a chunk to bad rates. And you have a clear 3-step setup to start today. Your one action from this video is this. Open a virtual dollar account tonight, not tomorrow. Tonight, Gray or Raenest. 10 minutes. It costs nothing to set up. And it means that when the money is ready to come, you are ready to receive it. And the next video on this channel, I am going to go deeper into freelancing specifically, showing you exactly which skills are earning the most for Nigerian freelancers on Upwork and Fiverr right now in 2026, and the profile mistakes that are costing people clients that even before they get a chance to prove themselves. That video could be the difference between landing your first dollar gig in 2 weeks versus 6 months. If what you learned here was genuinely useful, the subscribe button just means that you will see that next video when it drops. That is all it is. See you in the next one.